If your Wi-Fi option is missing in Windows 11 and you can't connect to the internet, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 3 easy ways to fix Wi-Fi not showing in Windows 11. Fix 1. Enable Wi-Fi adapter. Right-click on the menu. Select Network Connection. CAN adapter option. Wi-Fi. Right-click on the Wi-Fi icon. Select Enable. Then the Wi-Fi icon appeared. When you're done, close the window. If you don't show up, you start. Go back to the computer once. Click on the search bar and type the word service. Click on service. Pull down. Find part VLAN. VK plan. VLAN auto. Configure. Here right-click on VLAN auto config, select Rita. Then you close it and you also need to restart the computer. Right-click on the menu. In Network adapter. Or you can just click on it. This second regular line has the word wireless here. Then click on Update Driver. Select Auto for driver. Acquire. Closed. And now you also restart the computer. After trying these solutions, your Wi-Fi option should appear again. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more Windows fixes.